In this video, I'm going to show you 3 transplant hacks that'll make it easy to transplant your seedlings into pots. I've done it. I've got great success. I've got a bunch of pots here that I have transplanted, so I'm going to show you the 3 hacks. Hack number 1 is the 2-tool pull. So you need 2 tools. You're going to go in on either side of your root ball in your seed tray, and you're going to be able to lift them right out exactly like that. This is just a kitchen knife, which I've used. This is a 1-inch trowel, narrow, a little bit of a scoop. Pull them right out. Hack number 2, you're going to use 2 bamboo skewers, and this is the skewer root ball tickle, where you go in there, your fingers are not as delicate as they could be, but these skewers have nice pointed ends. So what you can do is use them to tickle the roots, to separate them out, and before you know it, the soil will free up and you'll be able to pull out the seedlings and preserve the delicate roots. The 3rd hack is using the skewers again to guide a long root into the hole you've prepared in the pot. So because they're bamboo, they have a little bit of an abrasive surface which you can use to grab the delicate root and guide it down into the bottom of the hole. And it allows the root to then make good contact deep into your pot and allow it to start pulling those nutrients all up and down your pot. I urge you all to try them. I've used them and look at the success I've had. Here are all my seedlings that I did from my seed trays that I did. I've got kale, I've got red lettuce, I've got green lettuce, I've got spinach, and I've got arugula. All of them successfully transplanted using these 3 hacks. So give them a try. I guarantee you it's going to work. I'm Craig, the stand-up gardener, and I'm a retired engineer and project manager. I've had 2 bouts with cancer, which I've survived, and I've also got some lifting problems, so I can't lift a lot of weight, so I've developed stand-up gardening. I'm going to fill this whole table with seed transplants, and I'm going to have them all ready to go. If you're just starting off, I have a seed starting video which you might find helpful. I also have a video you might find helpful on doing a 2-cup tomato seed starting.